And next, we run it with them. Yeah, got that on, baby. Oh, get it up in there. Let it swim. Look at that. Got that pot looking. Oh, my God. Now you hit it with a little bit of that garlic powder, baby. Oh, shite. Hit it with a pound of that paprika. Oh, damn. Give it to them, y'all. And of course, we gotta have that black pepper. Get it in, baby. Get it in. Put a little oof on it. And lastly, we'll put a little bit of that flavor. Oh, yup. Now you give it a stir, baby. Make it whirlwind like a pool up in there. You let it run a little bit, get it all coagulated, let it cohesively come together, and then next step, get it right. Yas. Now we done swirled it, put the other sausage in there. Let it go. Yes, sir.